All right, I'm going to show you how to make an important decision in less than 1 minute. So I had to make a decision here between taking my bus to get fixed at a shop or by an individual who's going to charge me half the price. So basically, I just wrote up all the pros and all the cons for the shop and did the same thing for the individual, all the pros and all the cons. And what I did was I ranked them from a scale of 1 to 10 of how important it was to me. So I ranked everything, pros and cons. And what you do is you just add up the score for the pros and you add up the score for the cons. Do that for both of them, and then you subtract the cons from the pros. And so 29 minus 14 there, that gave me 15 right there for the shop. And then 32 minus 19, that gave me 13 for the individual. So in this decision, it made more sense to bring it to the shop. So this can work for anything.